Hi students, recently Parshuram Kund festival is in news. Let me tell you what is this Parshuram Kund festival, which is most important for your culture and tourism perspective in your UPSC preparations, and also for more updates and content for your UPSC, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is me SPR. So here recently Arunachal Pradesh government informed Parshuram Kund festival PKM is to be celebrated from 12th to 16th of January 2023. Understand, this PKF festival is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh, which is more important for your exam perspective. So here, understand the Parshuram Kund festival. What is it actually? The Hindu pilgrimage site situated in the Brahmaputra plateau in the lower reaches of the Lohit river and 21 kilometers north of Tezu in the Lohit district of Arunachal Pradesh district. So here, this is a Parshuram Kund festival is celebrated in a pilgrimage site which is in the Brahmaputra plateau to the lower reaches of our Lohit river. And also here, many devotees and sadhus take a holy dip in this water each year for the occasion of the Makara Sankranti. So here, a grand celebration of the Makara Sankranti will be done during the months of January, and it is also known as Kumbh of Northeast. So here, this is very important. Which festival is called as a Kumbh of Northeast may be stand to be important for your prelims preparation, so kindly remember it. And also here, what is the religious significance of it? So here it is dedicated to a mythological figure of a sage called Parashuram. So you would have heard a name about him in our Indian history, so not history, mythology. So here this popular festival attracts pilgrims from Nepal and also from across India and nearby states of Manipur and Assam. So here the project is development of the Parshuram Kund is to sanction under the Pilgrimage Regeneration and Spiritual Heritage Augmentation Drive Prashad scheme, and also this is part of Ministry of Tourism where to develop the more and more cultural tourism and divine and religious tourism in India. So this location Parshuram Kund festival which will also lead to the addition of these elements and also creating a better tourism facility for the northeast. This is all about the Parshuram Kund festival, and for also more updates kindly stay tuned. This is me SPR signing off. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and keep supporting.